Hey guys, welcome back. I've officially reached 177 subscribers. So today, I want to do a draw my life video. Now, I'm not the best drawer, so I might be a terrible artist. I was born in Catskill. I was born in Catskill Regional. In Roscoe, New York. And I've always lived there. I used to live in this small house. It's not completely accurate because I'm not the best drawer. But I used to live in this small house that did have steps right there. I did have steps right there, and it also did have and then about 5 years after I was born, I moved to this apartment that's above my aunt's old place. And I don't live there anymore. I moved, but I used to live there. And I used to do a lot of my channels. If you look up at some of my old videos, you would see that apartment. And I went to this school called Roscoe Central School. And first day I went there, I cried. Second day I went there, I cried. Because I really missed my parents. Then when my sister Peyton walked me down, it just made me more miss my family. That's the reason I actually cried. Me crying because I miss my mom and dad. I'm sorry, I'm not the best drawer, so I kind of look creepy. That's how I used to draw mad eyebrows. Yeah, that's me crying on my first day of school because I really missed my mom and dad. Then I moved to kindergarten. My teacher there, she was named Mrs. Clifford. And she was very nice to me. She was very sweet. I know, I'm not the best drawer. Sorry, Mrs. Clifford, if you are watching this, I'm not the best drawer. So sorry if I make you look a little like this. She was a really nice teacher. I really miss her a lot. I miss kindergarten sometimes. I'm in 4th grade now. And she used to wear a lot of necklaces. I'm drawing a computer. I'm not the best drawer. I'm more used to drawing on my phone. Then in the middle of kindergarten, I moved to this big house. And I still live there today. It's fun. I record videos here. I'm actually in this house right now recording this video. As you know, I still live here today. I still live here today. Just gotta add the designs on the windows. Make it its color. Tried to color the part right here. It's actually a grayish blue. The house is actually a grayish blue. Yeah, it's a grayish blue. I'm in the house right now. Then I moved on to first grade, where I met Mrs. Robinson. And she was actually pretty nice too. She taught us really nice. She was really nice, and yeah, I loved Mrs. Robinson, and that's when I met my best friend, which is Valentine's Wilhelm. Then in 2019, I moved to second grade, where I met Mrs. Greenthal. I'm not the best drawer. I'm not the best drawer, so sorry if you're watching this, Mrs. Greenthal, I'm sorry if I'm drawing you badly. Yeah, she did wear glasses. She didn't wear them a lot. She always sometimes had them off. Yeah, this is a really terrible drawing. Sorry, Mrs. Greenthal, if you're watching this. Sorry, I'm drawing you so bad. I'm not the best drawer. So sorry, this is really terrible drawing. Then I moved to third grade, where I met Mrs. Ports. She was nice too, but we all missed our old teacher, Mrs. Greenthal. I'm sorry, I kind of am making her look like she's pretty in real life. Like, I understand she is pretty in real life. She did sometimes wear glasses, but she didn't do it fully. She never fully wear I almost just said my name, but she never fully wore glasses. But she always just said, Jack, get busy. And that really annoyed me. I was really annoyed by that. And then I, got really annoyed. I did, she was really nice after she was really nice. Then we moved to fourth grade. And that's when I met Mrs. Crowfoot. And she was really nice. She did have long hair at the start, but she had like hair that went down to her back, and it was really long. Then she cut it and left it curly. She was the nicest teacher after all. She was very nice. She wasn't mean at all. She was very nice. She left us because she had to go because she wanted, and she left for the rest of the year. I still really miss her. She was the nicest teacher I could ever have. That's me right there. Because I'm just looking at Mrs. Crowfoot because she had to go. Then me and my classmate met Mrs. Schwab, who is my recent teacher, who is now my teacher. Mrs. Crowfoot introduced her to us. And she is very nice. She's definitely on my nicest teacher list next to Mrs. Crowfoot. I like Mrs. Sabatini or Mrs. Ports. And I also really liked Mrs. Greenthal, Mrs. Dahlman, and Mrs. Clifford. I liked all of them. Mrs. Dahlman was my pre-K teacher. Mrs. Schwab is the person who is our teacher now. I'm gonna give her a mask. She's our recent teacher, who is our teacher who is now. Thanks guys for watching. If you did like the video, be sure to smash that like button. That's my phone. Be sure to smash the like button, comment, and subscribe. If you did like the video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!